Hello guys, I'm in Chengdu now. Many people recommend me that Chunxi Road is the most popular place in Chengdu. But today, I'm going to a place that claims to be the most fashionable place in China. So let's go and have a look together. Okay, here we are, the eastern suburb. Today, we got a friend to show us around.
Of course, you come to Eastern Suburbs. It's literally the best place of Chengdu city for young generation. It's the first commercial street that have gathered Chinese local brands. So yeah, you come to the right place. They have all kinds of clothing here, streetwear, vintage. Did I mention that they are Chinese local brands? If you're looking for specialty restaurant, there's a first national fully immersed Han culture themed restaurant here. They have Han custom show, dance performance of Han, Tang, and Song dynasties. That's the bank of this place, you know. It might be interesting if you have a pet. There's a pet-friendly restaurant nearby. Pay the visit some other time for the good coffee and a relaxing afternoon.
Wow, dude, seriously? They got a tree here? For real?
Because this place used to be a factory. It was built under the assistance of the Soviet Union in the 1950s. The combination of industrial style tells great stories about the past. Even the Chinese Prime Minister Li Qiang came to this place last year, and he wanted to share how great this example of governmentally top-down approaches are vicious in large scale of urban regeneration. Looking on the map, it tells that Eastern Suburb Memory is not the only commercial center in this area. It has places like Longford Paradise Walk and Wechat Hub. I feel like East Suburb Memory is different, unique from other types of commercial projects. So I would define this place as a new landmark for fashion industry, city image, culture, and tourism in China. So what do you think about Eastern Suburbs?
I love the people here. I think they are very relaxing and enjoying their own life.
Alright man, let me know if you want to go to other places in Chengdu City. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you next time.